Our first topic is your ideal job. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to speak on this topic. This is so much interesting topic to speak on. Well, I have a lot of jobs in my mind, but my ideal job is that I should work for a company as an area manager in sales field. I like sales field so much because all you have to do is to deal with people. You have to convince your customers, for example, who are shopkeepers or big businessmen, to buy your products and sell them in the market. What's even more surprising is that sales field is so much interesting for me because it's an outdoor job. You can visit different places on daily routine routes. You can make friends in the market, and also you have to deal with different kind of circumstances with respect to facts and figures. I should also point out that sales field is so much beneficial for everyone that it gives us a lot of opportunities on daily basis. Like we can see different kind of businessmen and we can get tips from there. Also we can discuss different kind of opinions with them to boost their business. I found myself completely immersed in the moment because in sales field there are daily based targets and sometimes it's pretty difficult to achieve the target, like the market is closed and the weather is not good, but you have to work hard and complete your number. It left a lasting impression on me that sales field can give us a bright future. Also there are different kind of companies who are offering medical, transport and life insurance from their side. So that's why sales field is my ideal job. I am looking forward for this kind of job in my own city, and one day I will be successful. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to speak on this topic. This is so much interesting topic to speak on. I have seen a lot of movies in my life, but now I want to mention a movie called Three Idiots. It's a Bollywood movie and it was released approximately 10 to 15 years ago. The main character of this movie is Amir Khan and the story based on the lives of students of universities. This movie is so much interesting, having a lot of funny dialogues, and also I want to mention that this movie will motivate yourself in different ways. Now I want to think about it. This movie can give us a lot of knowledge about the Asian education system of universities where the theory is so much as compared to the practical work. Also, this movie gives us an idea that we should work for our passion, the thing we like on daily basis. We should go in these kind of fields. The moment will always stay with me that there were some kind of emotional scenes in that movie which shows the true friendship within these three boys. In short, it was a turning point in my life that we should take the life easy. Another idea coming in my mind is that we should not take so much stress. We should deal everything logically and technically. I want to suggest all of the people to watch this movie once, and I bet that you will like that. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to speak on this topic. This is so much interesting topic to speak on. As we know that artificial intelligence is becoming popular nowadays in our daily life. That's a great step in the field of computer science, and I am also using artificial intelligence in many ways. Artificial intelligence can make our life easy, like if I talk about the comparison of Google versus ChatGPT. In Google, you have to ask a question and Google will give you links about that. You must have to find different kind of links of websites to find your accurate answer. As compared to that, ChatGPT has a great advanced level. In ChatGPT, you just have to ask a question of any kind in different fields like mathematics, computer science, and geography, and ChatGPT will create an accurate answer for you by itself and show you in a few seconds. I found myself completely immersed in the moment because ChatGPT and artificial intelligence can also create pictures by its own. You just have to give different commands and it will give you a picture. Also, the impressive moment is that you can change this picture by giving just few commands and it will automatically try to understand you and complete your imagination in front of you. What's even more surprising is that there are different kinds of AI based websites in which you can create videos by just giving prompts. If you have some kind of issue, your English writing is weak, you can ask the AI to create a prompt by itself for you, and you have to just give some keywords in that. After that, you can say that now use this prompt to generate a video or a picture, and it will automatically do these kind of things. One more thing coming in my mind is that you can also solve the mathematic problems with artificial intelligence websites. Last but not least, I want to say that it is so much beneficial for us that everyone should use these kind of upgraded versions of artificial intelligence to save time. Just to give you a better idea, I want to say that you should learn you can learn different kind of things from ChatGPT, like creating a story and about your passions and interests. You can also take advices from these kind of AI based websites.